Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcake designs with icing. First, ensure your buttercream has a smooth, medium consistency, not too stiff or too runny. Next, select a piping tip, like a star or round tip, that suits your design vision. Finally, fill your piping bag about 2/3 full, twisting the top to secure the icing. Let's start with simple designs. For a classic swirl, begin piping in the center of the cupcake, moving outwards in a spiral, then pull up to finish. To make a lovely rosette, start in the middle and pipe a continuous circle, overlapping slightly until you reach the desired size. Remember to maintain steady pressure for clean, professional results. Now, let's add some flair with color. A coupler allows you to change piping tips without emptying your bag, perfect for intricate details. For a stunning two-tone effect, simply spread 2 different colored icings side by side inside your piping bag. Finish your designs with a sprinkle of edible glitter or colorful sprinkles for an extra festive touch. To ensure your beautiful designs stay perfect, chill your decorated cupcakes for about 15 minutes. This helps the icing set firmly. When storing, place them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 days, or refrigerate for longer freshness. Don't be afraid to experiment with new tips and colors to develop your own signature cupcake art.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.